Are you looking for the best inflatable pool slide? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best inflatable pool slide on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Little Tikes Slam and Curve Slide. The reason why Amazon recommends buying Little Tikes Slam and Curve Slide is its design and price. It is a simple inflatable pool slide with a water pool at the bottom. Kids have to climb to reach the water slide using the obstacle wall that is exciting. The water slide is long enough for the kids to enjoy. There is a gentle curve for the water slide. Its design allows the parents to see all the action and look after the kids. Thus, it is safe for the kids to play as long as they want. Also, there is a basketball hoop in the water pool area. The Little Tikes Slam and Curve Slide is puncture resistant and durable. It comes with a year warranty from the manufacturer. A storage bag comes inside the package with a repair kit. However, you can only place it outdoors. Thus, it is best for a backyard water slide park or front yard. It inflates quickly and is easy to set up. At least 3 kids can play simultaneously. However, more kids can play in the wide enough water pool with a basketball hoop. Number 2. Inflatable Bounce House or Water Slide. Bounceland presents this wet and dry 7-in-1 inflatable pool slide with obstacles combo. Kids can climb, slide, water slide, play basketball hoop, and bounce in a ball pit. Hence, it includes everything kids look for having fun outdoors. There are high railings and sturdy mesh enclosures for kids' safety. The adult slip and slide is fun, but this is a complete outdoor water park for the kids to enjoy. So, buy it instead of the adult water slides. It will bring joy to the whole family. Spray water over each other using its giant water gun and enjoy all summer. The fun tunnel and the sunroof over the bouncing pit make it one-of-a-kind inflatable water park. Materials are puncture-proof and safe for the kids. Also, it inflates within a minute and is easy to set up. A repair kit and the 30 plastic balls for the bouncing pit come inside the package. There are large pillars that make sure kids can jump securely. The swimming pool slide is 8.5 feet long for teenagers to enjoy. The package also includes a carrying bag and a water hose. Hence, you can store it when not in use. It supports a garden hose connection. Number 3. Bounceland Inflatable Cascade Water Slide with Large Pool. The package of the Bounceland Inflatable Cascade Water Slide with Large Pool includes all the accessories. A large splash water pool lets the kids enjoy. There is a carrying bag, repair kit, water hose, blower, and others in the pack. At least 4 kids can play at once. The high supporting base and the high railings make it safe for toddlers. Its design allows the kids to climb with comfort. A fun tunnel adds to the entertainment for children. It supports up to 400 pounds weight. Therefore, this kiddie pool with slide is enduring and long-lasting. The Bounceland Inflatable Cascade Water Slide comes with a GFCI plug for the air blower. Thus, it inflates within a minute. It uses quadruple stitched with durable and puncture-resistant materials. All the safety measures are taken care of because of the kids' safety. It also has a water sprinkler on the top of the slide for fun. Also, it is for both outdoor and indoor use. Hence, it can be your kids' outdoor water park or indoor water slide. It is easy to take down and store inside the storage bag. Number 4. Sportspower My First Inflatable Water Slide. The Sportspower My First Inflatable Water Slide is best for parents with 2 or 3 kids. It is an inflatable pool slide with a water pool at the bottom. Water cannons splash the water onto the sliding kid for enjoyment. You only need 2 minutes to inflate this kid's pool with slide. There is no need to worry for the parents because it is puncture resistant. It is ideal for large or medium front or backyards. ASTM safety standards make sure your kids are safe playing this swimming pool slide. Kids experience a waterfall when they use the inflatable water slide. The cannon is movable for aiming at the kids taking the water slides. It can support a total of 250 pounds weight. Sportspower recommends 3 kids to use it at once. Also, it takes only 5 minutes to assemble it. The water pool at the bottom allows the kids to splash into it. Number 5. Sportspower Twin Peaks Splash and Slide. The Sportspower Twin Peaks Splash and Slide with water cannons bring all the water park fun for the kids. It comes with an air blower that inflates this inflatable water slide within 2 minutes. There is a climbing wall for the kids to climb for reaching the slide. Hence, the children can enjoy climbing. The construction of this water slides park is long-lasting because of the PVC materials. Thus, it can last for many years. You and your kids can use it safely for entertainment because of ASTM safety standards. It is suitable for large or medium-sized backyards because of its coverage area. At least 6 kids can play simultaneously on this inflatable water park. 2 water cannons add to the fun. The puncture-resistant polyester with PVC makes it enduring. Also, it can support a total of 250 pounds weight. Kids can splash into the spacious pool at the bottom of the water slides. It only requires 5 minutes to assemble this inflatable pool slide. The water cannons can soak and aim at the targets for the kids. Number 6. BANZAI Sidewinder Blast Water Park. The water cannons and the water sprinkles make the BANZAI Sidewinder Blast Water Park a joy to play on. It only takes 3 minutes to inflate this kid's inflatable water park. These inflatable slides with a water pool and hidden tunnel allow the kids to play and have fun. The water cannons blast water onto the kids for additional pleasure. It is extra durable because of the Duratech construction. A total of 150 pounds of weight is endurable for this water slides park. 3 or 4 kids can play simultaneously on it. The package of this pool with slide includes a blower motor, carrying bag, and other accessories. Connecting its sprayer hose with a garden hose is easy. This backyard water slide and the park use a constant air blower. Hence, it is safe for the kids to have fun. Also, the curving water slide with a tower adds to the joys of the kids. Number 7. BANZAI Slide North Soak Splash Park Inflatable Slide. The main features of the BANZAI Slide North Soak Splash Park include comfortable cushiony water slides. It is easy to set up and inflates within 2 minutes. Overhead waterfall sprinkler is a pleasure to use and refresh the kids. Stay-put water bags and the ground stakes make sure the structure is secure on the ground. This inflatable water park uses the blower motor to inflate itself when you attach the air intake tube. It has an 8-inch lagoon-style water pool for using the slides to dive in it. The size of the water slides is tall enough for the kids and the teenagers. The construction of the BANZAI Slide North Soak Splash Park is durable because of the rubber vinyl materials. Hence, it is safe for teenagers and toddlers. This backyard water park comes with a carrying bag for portability. Kids over the age of 5 can have fun in this outdoor water park. The over-the-top water showers add to the joys of taking water slides.